on this, even as the government continues to report a huge spike in the number of infections currently in the COVID-19 disease. Now, the management of COVID-19 patients will now be a family affair. Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe says asymptomatic patients will no longer be admitted in hospitals. The CS says the country is in the second COVID-19 wave and is asking Kenyans not to drop their guard in the fight against the disease. The highest number of monthly fatalities and the highest number of new infections in a day have been recorded in the month of October.
We have an issue to deal with.
Increasing COVID-19 cases coming a month since containment measures were relaxed. Positive cases in the country now stand at 52,612 after 761 people tested positive. 964 people have lost their lives, 14 in the last 24 hours. And for a country that is working on flattening the COVID-19 curve, the situation is getting worse.
We have a second wave of this disease.
The country has recorded its highest positivity rate this month.
The highest positivity rate, round about July, was about 13% positivity rate. The day before yesterday, we had a positivity rate of 20.2%. Yesterday, we were at 15%. Today, we are once again at 15%. This is from a low of about 4% average per week in the month of September.
The government says public hospitals have the capacity to deal with COVID-19 cases, but is taking on a new approach in the management of asymptomatic patients.
There is no reason for us to hospitalize an individual who shows no sign of any sickness except that there are positive cases. It is now a family responsibility. Each family member must protect the other family member. Because if one of you gets the virus, and provided that you are not sick, it is the other people within the family who have to take care of you.
The government has been encouraging adherence to containment measures, but political leaders, it appears, are the front runners in laying the ground for breaching the social distance protocol through political gatherings.
The easiest way of defeating these political rallies is that you just don't go. They come there to address people because people will come. Don't go. When you don't go, they won't come.
President Uhuru Kenyatta has convened the 6th extraordinary session of the National and County Governments Coordinating Summit. The summit, which will be held next Wednesday, will review the efficacy of the containment measures in place, consider the evolution of the disease and how it may propagate in November and December. Rita Tinina, KTN News.